Hello everyone, welcome to TechOver. Today I'm going to show you how to create a menu in WordPress. For that, I need to log into my WordPress. So in pages, I have 4 pages. I'm going to add them to my menu bar. For that, I need to click on Appearance, then Menus. Now I'm going to set a name for my menu. Let's click on Header menu, Create menu. Now in this page section, I have 4 pages. So let's click on Home, Add to menu, About, Add to menu, Blog, Add to menu, Contact, Add to menu. If you want to serialize them, then you can just drag them and set them anywhere you want. So I'm going to set it upper side and I'm going to use it here. Now I'm going to click on automatically add new top level pages and main, then save menu. Let's see if it is saved or not. Refresh. So you can see that my menus are here. So that's all for today. If you like my video, please like, comment, share and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon.